I'm Imposter. I'm back again. Today I am going to solve or practice File Explorer 2 UI challenges. Previously, I implemented the File Explorer 1 UI challenges earlier. So actually, I started this one, but I skipped it uh, because of accessibility. The problem is fully focused on accessibility, but I knew about the accessibility but not that much good enough. So I started learning about that, and also I started a course from Coursera about accessibility. So I did some of the modules, and I started reading about it. So today I decided that I will or practice this one. So and the problem is mainly about that. So we can have a functional component, but there is more to think about as a UI or front-end developer. So now I will add a proper area properties and stage for the actual accessibility guidelines that will improve components. So there is lots of requirement for this one. So as per my reading, so I will work on one requirements by one, and I will explain it to you so that you can have that property. So all tree nodes are contained in or owned by a element with a role tree. Means that here we have that nodes. This things is a node. This one is also a node. This one is also a node. So if you go to this link here, you will see that which one is a node, that is item is a node. So this one is item, so it is a node. So root node means that which don't have any parent. So this is not a root node because it has a parent, like in the container of the tree. So this is a node, we can say in general, but it's also we can define as a parent node. So that node with one and more child nodes, it can be expand or collapse. So if we think about this node, it can expand and collapse, and it has one or more children. So this is a parent node. Which one is a children node? Child node that has a parent, and node that does not root node is a child node. So has a parent and node that is, so we can think as a, this one is also a child node, and also this one is a child node. So this is a children of root node. So this is how it is going to be. So when is a node is open, then it is open node. When it is closed, then it is a closed node. And a node which does not have uh, any child nodes, and an end of the node may be either root node or a child node. So uh, we can say that a node is this readme.nd, so that has not any, and also this one is going to be a node. Okay, so now, so we know the terms. So here the requirement one is saying that all the tree are contained by owned by a element. So here is our file list, and this one is containing all of the nodes. This is our root, so this should have a property role called tree. So that is the thing. So we are done with um, our, our first requirement, and then let's move to the okay. The element with role tree has either a visible label referenced by area label or specified by area label. Okay, sorry, I made it mistake. Reference by area label. So the element with role tree has either a visible label reference by area label or specified for area label. So we should have a area label property, and also here we have the id. So let's say we have a id. Let's make it okay. I cannot add it here directly id, so this is a component. So I'm a bit confused here. So let's say let's skip it for now. Let's go for this one. Oh, here already something is I read. I think I wrote. So let's revert it so that I can tell you. Okay, so each element serving as a tree node has three item, but okay, so this one is not maintaining the hierarchy. So let's we have that root node, we add the tree, then we have another thing called this one. This ul element is a parent of our child node, so we will have a role here called group. Okay, so this is the group, so this is containing that other things. So let's go to that file object, then we are at that item list. So this will be a role called tree item. Actually, if let's say if we go with the role first, then this is our full tree with the root. So this is the root, then we go to that uh, file object. So this is grouping our parents, so this one. And also if I move here in the file object, this is our that list item actual. So this is a list. Okay, so we are getting this thing. So we are done with the group expanded. So let's have this one. Tree item serve as a parent node of area expanded, false or true. So here we will have something called uh, area expanded property here. So if I add that area expanded, it should be that expanded. So it by default will be have like that area expanded true or false. So from this state we have. So this is done, and for each tree item should have area label. So here we have a area label for this item. Area label, you can see here is the label. So we will have that label here, so we can get that label. And also we have to set the size. So area set size is okay. Let me tell you, let's put something 0 or something, so that we don't get any error. We add the area label. Whenever we add the area label, we have to add another thing called uh, size. Tree item, I think I'm not making any mistake. Yep, not making any mistake. So we have to know that full whenever we are rendering that UL elements, we have to pass. We are mapping through it, but we don't sending the full size of. Okay, we have the children inside the file. So okay, okay, so I got it. So we have that file the children length. So this is meant this meaning that how much uh, how much thing like how much or how many items are present in that list. So that is the set size. So we will have file children dot length file. Okay, I think I made wow. If okay, we if we don't have that, if it is undefined, then we will set 0 area set size, and we will have the position here. So I don't know how can I get that position here, but we don't sending the position from our component. So let's keep it as now. So here, so we are expert area. Okay, done. I think most of the thing is done, but for the area level we didn't add anything here. Okay, and also for the position also we didn't add this thing here. Here okay, where is it? Here we don't send it. So it should be it should get from this component when we are passing it. So we can have that here. Let's say index. Here we'll have position equal to index. So file object will get that position here. So let's have position, and position will be a number. Position will be a number, and that will be position. But here I don't know about that that is it at zero index maintaining or not. So let's have that pose in pose inset. Pose inset. So I don't know that pose inset area pose inset must be integer equal to 1. Okay, so okay, so it should not be 0. I have to pass it from here as 1. So index is 0 0 0. So that will be that. Okay, so pose insert is done, and also area labeled by. Okay, so here we will have one thing called area level by there we will use a id. I don't know uh, when something about accessibility using this type of uh, uh, clone and then something in here. So I am adding is a tree r as a tree root as id. Inside that, here I will add on id is a UI element. So clone tr, so it will describe by that on. So yep. So I can also add this thing in under there, but this will not actually. This is can be a tree root. This is a root element. Here I am rendering all the items, the downloads and others. So I think this was kind of unnecessary to add here as well. Okay, so I use it. So let's forget it. So I think not. It is not going to have or create any problem here. So yep. Now here we need to add something called area level. Area level. Okay, area labeled by. Okay, something I'm missing here for that area level by and area level. Okay, I'm guessing that i'm I'm making some mistake with area label or area label by area level defined string directly on that lack of button area level clause area level by reference. Okay. So now I got it. Level by is a reference and area level is, so here I think I used area level by. Okay, yeah, I'm in the right path. So I was area level by described by id or and what for that. mm, mm, um, and it's so area level by referencing a id. So I don't know why I wrote irb. Somewhere I rewrite that that thing, so it will be in id. So what if reference by id? So I can area level by area level by level id. Okay. So I read somewhere that like this, so id will be like this, clone rp. So this is the thing for that accessibility here. So if I go and look for the DOM, if I look for the DOM element, let's look for the DOM. What I got here, that is, so tree group tree item, area expanded false, that is good. Area level, this is a 1, and area size, area set size 2. Wow. Okay, it has 2, but we should have that one as well. Area set size 2. Then we have that button, it's level by, and then we should get level by. So this 3, there is nothing. So area pos insert 1 2 3. So area set size 2. Okay, I think I made some of the mistake here. It should have that 3 here. Actually I have in here that is 3 element, not that under. So so I made a mistake here. For here this should not be this should not be the children length. So here I have file list. Okay, where is the data? Here is the data we are getting as a props. So this should be the length of our mm, okay, this is not correct here. Here actually that it is that level. Okay, okay, it is not correct here. Because I have 3 elements, set size should be 3. So from that level here will be the size like items dot length should be there, and then we should get that file object to size and size also will be a number. Oh sorry, size also will be a number, and that area set size should be the size. That is the thing. So if I look items is not defined, items. Okay, if I look here now, it is correct. So set size is 3, level 1, and set size and position 1 2 3. So, and also if I open it, so it says area expanded false. If I open it, you will get area expanded true, and here also we will get group and also the tree item. So that's good enough. So here it is, but I have that similar ID for the accessible parameters. So how it will affect, I don't know. Actually I am beginner for that one. So okay, I think I made a good progress on these accessibility things. So I'm happy for now. So I am stopping this practice here now on. So goodbye from Imposter Depth. See you in the next practice session. Goodbye.